05 TRX450R here. I'm going to show you how to set it to top dead center. Same with 04 and 05. So what you want to do is get a 10mm Allen wrench. I prefer to use these right here, these socket Allen heads, and you want to pop that off with a 10mm. Then getting a 5/16 or an 8, you're going to put it into there, and you're going to want to turn that until you see that line, that dot and that arrow lines up perfect. At the same time, 6mm inspection cap removed. You should see a T inside of there, not the F. Don't get that confused. There's an F and then there's a T. You want to see the T lining up with this line at the exact same time. Now, when your valve cover is off, you're going to see your cam bolts are going to be perfectly up and down with the engine. And then, just for more reference marks, you're going to have a line here, and then you're going to have one exactly the same on the other side. And those are going to line up with these arrows on your cam tower. A lot of people do not know about these little arrows back here. It's actually a really missed thing a lot of people don't see, but that's how you line up your camshaft. And like I said, you're going to want to see your camshaft intake lobes pointing to the back of the quad anyways. So anyways guys, if this video helped you out, make sure you like and subscribe.